What is up, my friends? Today, real quick, I'm gonna talk about overcoming fear. I don't care who you are, you have fear. You know, it's so funny to me when I hear people say, and listen, if you ever hear somebody say, no, dude, I don't have fears anymore. Yeah, they do. You put that dipshit in a cage with a Bengal tiger and let me see how it works, okay? They're gonna have fear, everyone does. What is the #1 fear out there? Not everyone's, but the #1 fear ranked, it's public speaking. Well, I public speak on a regular basis. It's literally what I do for a living. And I'm gonna tell you right now that I guarantee you that people come to those events and they see me start and they see me speak and they think, this guy is not scared of public speaking. But what they don't know, which is what I'm about to tell you, which is our secret here, that I'm terrified every single time I go up to speak. Literally every time. My heart races, I get nervous, my palms get sweaty sometimes, but I'm gonna tell you how we overcome fear, how I and you should overcome fear. So #1, I'll give you a couple steps. #1 is you prep. You prep. How do you do that? Well, you prepare yourself as much as you can. Okay, so I'll tell you what I do every single time before I go do an event. I listen to my recording of just the first session. Listen, it's 3 days. But I listen to the first session every single time. I've listened to that. I don't even know how many times I've spoke and taught that class, but I've listened to that first session literally every single time. You wanna know why? Because I know that if I can plan for that first bit, prepare, right? And then I can go execute, which is step #2, is to take action immediately. Most of the time our problem is that we don't take enough action or action soon enough. So you plan and then you take action. How I plan when I do that, I know that if I can get started on the right foot, right out the gates in that first session, the rest will take care of itself. I know the content, I know the material, I know what I'm there to do, I know what I'm there to teach, I know that. It's all being comfortable though, and the best way to feel comfortable is to plan and take action, period. So I plan, I listen to that first session every single time, and I study and I review the slides and I go through my notes every time, because once again, I know that if I can start off on the right foot, everything else will take care of itself. No matter what you're doing, let's say you're gonna go talk to brokers, or gonna have an investor call, or a job interview, whatever, okay? Plan the first bit, then go take action. That, my friends, is how we overcome fear. Some people get stuck in learning, some people act without preparing. We do not do that. We plan, we prepare, and we take action, all three. That's how we overcome fear. That's how I overcome my fear of speaking every single damn time I go do an event. Fear is something that we'll deal with our whole lives. So let's figure out how we can overcome it. Hope it helps.